Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change your YouTube channel password if you have forgotten your channel password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. First click on Google account. Now tap on security. Scroll down here and click on password. Here you have to click on forget password if you have forgotten your account password. Now click on continue again. Now add the fingerprint of your mobile phone or add the password of your mobile phone. After that, you have to add a new password here. Here I have added new password. Now click on change password. Now tap on change password again. Now here you can see the password has been changed. Here you can see that I have also received an email from Google that your password has been changed. In this way you can change the password of any email ID or YouTube channel if you have forgotten. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.